What's up guys, this is CW part 1. So today I get my new packet from Cactus ramps. Check all the sticker there. So yeah, that's my kicker. Here you can see my first kicker. And now I get new kicker sticker. Oh my god, that's the new sticker. And oh my god, I get free Casper deck. Oh my god, there is cash. Oh my god, thank you so much for that. Oh my god, oh damn, thank you so much. The free Casper deck, I love Casper decks. I think this is the best deck ever, and oh my god, thank you so much for this. Oh my god, oh damn. And this is my kicker, new kicker. That's amazing, kicker, amazing. Yeah, so now I have 2 kickers and the new Casper deck. Oh my god, thank you so much for that. 1 sticker, nothing. So yeah, check the link here under to the website and check all this, and yeah, see you guys.